Hello guys, good morning and welcome to The Hague, and we are here in the area of ICC. We are going to visit our beloved ex-president Digong Duterte, and it's my dream to see him, and I'm very happy that even though I will not see him in person, but I'm here in the ICC to visit or to see whether he is there or not. But I'm happy that I'm here in the ICC, and we are going to see his the place where he is in prison, and we will discover this area. See you. So, andito na tayo sa ICC. Hanapin natin ang ICC place na yun. Kasi hindi natin alam. Pero andito na tayo sa ICC. Guys, hanapin natin ang ating mahal na Pangulo. Nandito tayo sa area ng ICC. Kaso lang hindi natin alam kung saan talaga yun. Ayun. Nice ang building na to guys. Tignan mo yung shape. So, tignan niyo yung building na to guys. Hanapin natin kung saan tayo. So guys, hindi dito yung area kung saan nakulong ang ating Pangulo. Hanapin natin. Kasi first time natin pumunta dito, hindi natin alam kung saan. Hanapin natin. So, hanapin natin, hindi natin alam kung saan. Ano na lang tayo, maghahanap kung saan yun.
C'est là déjà la troisième.
C'est juste choisi. Lakad tayo. So guys, we are here in the area of ICC. This is our guide. From the train station, they asked us to find this white building, and beside of this building is the where our ex-president was in prison. Okay, let's go. So guys, papunta na tayo ng ICC headquarters. Hindi natin alam kung saan exactly ang address, pero so guys, mahaba pa yung lalakarin natin kasi hindi natin alam. So yun. Hanapin natin yung ICC headquarters. This fruit, what is this?
Prune.
It's a prune.
You can eat that.
Okay.
C'est famille des prunes, but Mirabelle prune.
Okay, Mirabelle.
But it's very hard now. It's very hard.
So we continue walking, going to the ICC headquarters. We will find it. Don't worry, guys. So we're still walking, guys, finding the ICC headquarters. We are already here. We will not miss this time to find the prison of our beloved ex-president, because I love Digong, I love Duterte. So guys, still finding the ICC headquarters. Malayo pa tayo. Taco Mundo. Malayo pa yung lalakarin natin guys. Hindi ko alam kung saan yun. So, kahit malayo, go pa rin tayo kasi para makita natin kung saan yun at alam natin. So dito sa The Hague guys, ganyan yung mga buildings nila. Parang same ang kulay. Lakad pa rin tayo doon pa sa dulo. Malayo pa. Para mahanap natin yung ICC headquarters. Ganyan yung mga typical houses dito sa The Hague. Parang similar lahat. So malayo paglalakarin natin guys, 45 minutes. Sobrang layo ng headquarters ng ICC. Nagugutom na tayo, hanap tayo ng makainan, tapos continue tayo maglakad papunta ng headquarters ng The Hague. So guys, continue pa rin tayo. Layo pa ng lalakarin natin. Ayan. Dito tayo maglakad. The Hague guys, pare-pareho yung style ng bahay, ganyan. Ayan ang tram nila, color blue and white. So ganyan, malapit na tayo doon sa ICC headquarters. Konting lakad na lang. Tatapuan na natin ang headquarters. Guys, it's nice. There and until here is nice building. Guys, we are very near now. We can see the place where our ex-president was imprisoned. We will be very, very happy if we see the ex-president there. So guys, 25 minutes to walk. Lapit na. So now, ganito yung mga buildings dito. Ewan ko bakit ganito yung favorite color nila. Pero weird. Guys, tignan niyo yung klase ng bahay nila. Ganito. Tapos maliit lang yung door. Ganyan. Dito tayo para makita ninyo. Ganyan yung mga bahay nila dito. Yung mga bahay nila dito guys. Dito tayo sa side para makita ninyo. Mga taga-The Hague, ganito yung mga kulay ng mga bahay at saka yung style. It's made up of bricks, yung mga bahay nila dito. Ganyan. Tapos lahat ng mga tao dito, mahilig magbike. Wala kang makita na hindi nagbabike. Lahat, nagbabike sila. It's a weird building, this one. I think it's a school. So, andito pa rin tayo, going to ICC headquarters at heto yung way papunta doon. Meron pa tayong 20 minutes na lakarin kung saan yon. Sobrang layo niya ng layo ng distance niya from the train station going there. The name is Gazem. There's a bridge. So guys, tignan ninyo guys, mayroong maliit na bridge dito. Ganda niya. Kasi yun natin view doon, maganda din. Kasi we're going to the ICC headquarters. So nice. So nice. Lakas ng hangin. Parang ilipat na rin sila mas cute. Cute na mga duck. Cute.
The mushroom on the tree.
Oh, that's a mushroom?
Yeah.
No. Yung bahay is dyan. So guys, tignan ninyo sa side ng walk na to, meron tayong nakikitang small river. Nice! Sobrang ganda.
You can film, you can eat.
So guys, this mushroom, it's nice, and we are not sure if we can eat it or not.
It looks like
It's
yes.
just growing here near the riverside.
It looks like yes. Yes.
So guys, sobrang ganda. While meron silang ganito sa tabi ng daan, makikita ninyo yan. Diyan lang yan sa tabi ng daan nila. Yan, madami mga wild animals, may mga ducks, at marami mga bridges dito. So, maganda siya. Tapos, doon may bahay na naman. Ganda. So, yun. Diba ang ganda? Tapos dito bahay. Private property. Hindi natin pwede pasukin. So, konting lakad na lang guys. Mararating na natin ang ICC headquarters.